Hello, everyone. Jesse here with Continue to Give. First, I just want to take some time to just thank you for being such a great partner. It's been a great blessing to be able to serve you all this time. Really glad that we could help you stay fully funded in these times of uncertainty. And I also wanted to touch base on our complete church management system. A lot of churches that we've been working with over the years don't know that we actually built a complete church management system. I know you signed up maybe back before we had it. So I just want to let you know the team and I set out and built you just a really awesome system. So I'm just going to kind of go over some things with you here today, whether you're just looking at it for the first time, or maybe you're using this video for a board meeting. Whatever it might be, I hope this helps you make the right decision, it gets any of your questions answered. So really, I know how it is. I know that you have to communicate with people. You have to keep track of giving. You have to manage events. You have to send out giving statements, manage your books, and much, much more. But oftentimes we find that a lot of churches, they're already paying too much for too many systems to do this. There's a lot of manual entry, and there's just not enough integrations around anymore, as different systems are closing off integrations and not working well with others. So that's why the team and I set out to build you a really great church management system. We've put a lot of time into it. People have been using it for years. And then we also added a complete fund accounting system to this, guys. So you're really going to love it. Let me just go over some of the features of this for you, just so that you know, like, well, what does it have in it? What can it do? So we built out the complete CRM, member management. So you're going to have all that customizable dashboard, tag-based system, which is really powerful, and advanced search and lists. It's got tasks and reminders so that you can keep on top of just checking up on people, sending them an email, whatever you might need to do. We built you a drag and drop email editor. This thing is sweet. So you're going to be able to send out your email newsletters and even text out your newsletters, so people just get a text and read them on their phone. You'll be able to also email everyone or lists or individuals and everything else like that. We've built a really great contribution management system. Obviously, all the online donations are automatically in there. And if you need to enter in some cash or check contributions, super easy to do that. If you're hosting an event, you need to sell tickets or even do some custom forms. We've built all that for you. We've got the small groups and calendars. We've even built in a lot more advanced reporting. So this is really where, if you need more reporting, you can come over. We've got child check-in and more. And that's just the advanced church management functionality. We've also built out a fund accounting system. So this is going to have starting balances, fund account, and management. And that's really fund accounting. So you don't have to have 5 different bank accounts for every fund. This manages it all for you. Register transactions, journal entries, fund transfers. You'll be able to link your contributions to batches. You're going to be able to download all your banking so that it's just like QuickBooks. You just attach it to your bank account. It downloads the transactions. You put it in the different accounts. You're going to get your profit and loss reporting, balance sheet, accounts reporting, and more. Really, this is designed to be a QuickBooks replacement that is specifically designed for fund accounting in churches. So it's great. And I know you may be wondering, like, man, I just don't have time for this. So guys, we're going to give you a free trial. We're going to help you move in. We're going to train your team, and we'll take your request. Our team is standing by, so we'll take them and we'll make sure that you're happy that you chose to go with us in our church management system. So just a little bit on pricing. We've really put together some great pricing. We've got the church in mind. We're making this super affordable. So you can see the pricing right here for the advanced church management system and the fund accounting. And you can just use one or both of them. You don't even have to use both as you get your feet wet in this. So you may be wondering, well, how do I get signed up? Super easy. It's just right on your left menu when you're inside your Continue to Give dashboard. So you'll just be able to go right over there to the management system and follow the steps to activate this really cool system. And as always, me and the team were just ready here to give you a demo. I know we always send out the link in emails, but just in case you're watching this video, this is the link and you'll be able to select a time that works for you. You can get the team together, the board together if they want to watch the demo together. But if you go here to calendly.com, continue to give /mission pillars, then you'll just be able to pick a time that works for you and get on a demo with us. So with that being said, guys, I hope I've answered some of your basic questions. Not only that, we've also put together a couple of really great demo videos that show the product in action. Like I said, we've already built this. It's been in use for a while, and we're just circling back because we've noticed that a lot of our clients who have been with us for a long time, great churches like yourself, have not really been aware that we built this. So without further ado, here's some great demo videos that you can watch.
Hey guys, it's me again, Hunter, Marketing Director with Continue to Give. By now I'm going to assume you've already set up your organization with Continue to Give. If not, be sure to take a look at my Getting Started video for easy instructions on how to do that. Remember, we make giving easy. Now it's time to dive into Continue to Give's amazing tools and show you how we make communicating with your donors even easier through the donor management system. Let's jump in and get started. Once you log into Continue to Give, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. On the left side, click on Management System, and from the drop-down menu, let's go to the dashboard. This takes you to the Mission Pillars section of Continue to Give. You can return to your Continue to Give dashboard anytime by clicking on Online Giving. First off, let's just talk about your dashboard. Your dashboard consists of widgets that you can customize. Each one of these sections is a widget that you can easily move, resize, or delete. You can also easily add widgets by clicking the Add Widget button. What's a widget? Helpful tools and insight into specific training like how to create a contribution statement or a quick glimpse into your fundraising metrics. Alright, let's go back over to the menu on the left side of the screen. Look for CRM, which stands for Client Relations Manager. Click the drop-down arrow on the CRM tab and then click on Contacts, and the rest is super straightforward. We provide instructions on how to import your contacts, then manage your contacts. Looking at All Contacts, select a donor's name. This populates everything you need to know about your donor and their giving. Transaction history, accumulative giving, contact info, background info, and notes. Adding a note automatically populates it into the timeline. Super useful for remembering important dates of your donors so that you can actively grow your relationship with them. You also have an ability to add tags to your donors to keep them organized and help when working with our super cool advanced search engine. You'll find the search engine here under Contacts. Inside the search engine, select Filters. Now, filter your search by including tags, excluding tags, or using any of the other options. You can then find the list of contacts that match your search listed below. You can save this search and then name it accordingly. Let's look at how to use the search results you just created. Go over to Communications, Mass Email/Print, then select Create New Communication. Fill out the fields, and then where it says To List, select the list that you just created. We can uncheck Include Transactions as we are only sending an update. If you were needing to send out contribution statements or tax documents for your donors, you would select our contribution statement template here. This makes it super simple for you to send out your tax documents for your donors at the end of the year. But I won't go into detail about that now because I created another video for that, which you can find a link to in the description below. Now this is where it gets really cool. Our email system is a simple drag and drop system, which you can use to create informative or visually appealing emails or newsletters. Simply drag and drop the fields you want, add photos and text. Then when you're finished, scroll down and select Configure and Send Email. Or you can simply print this to mail a physical copy to your donors. One other thing to note is that you can also send mass text to lists as well. Simply go to Communications, Mass SMS, and then click Send New SMS Message. Now let's look at how your donors give. Select Transactions. Here you can keep track of all your contributions, record offline cash and check donations, and export your transaction statement. But there's more to your CRM than just managing donors and transactions. With Pledges, you can create pledge forms to help remind donors of their giving commitment. Groups helps you keep track of all your small groups, men's Bible studies, women's quilting, and youth groups. You get the idea. Events provides you the ability to create ticketed events for your organization, which allows donors and your community to register their attendance online. Our forms are a must for any organization. By adding a new form, you can drag and drop different elements to make the form suit your needs. Radio buttons, text fields, contact information, and images help you create professional, dynamic forms at no extra cost. Then hit save and add it to your list of groups. Child Check-In gives you the ability to track parents and children at church or events. Hey guys, it's me again, Hunter, Marketing Director with Continue to Give, here to introduce you to our fund accounting system. By now I'm going to assume you've already set up your organization with Continue to Give. If not, be sure to take a look at my Getting Started video for easy instructions on how to do that. Remember, we make giving easy. There's a ton of stuff you can do inside the accounting system, and I'm excited to show it to you. So today, I'm going to keep it very simple and give you a quick high-level look at how the accounting system benefits you. Okay, I'm just going to start off with the banking integration. This is really cool because you can connect your bank accounts and credit cards here to keep everything in sync. It starts off with a secure connection, then downloads all your deposits and expenses directly from your bank and credit card. Once done, you'll always be in sync. Now, you can start here each day and review your transactions. Then quickly and easily map them where they need to go. Another great feature is our contribution linking. You'll be able to automatically link up the donations that make up a single batch in your bank account. You'll see here how people have given to different designations, so when I select these, the system will automatically put them into the correct account and fund when it splits up the batch. Pretty cool. Next, I want to point out why this fund accounting system is so powerful and better than a system like QuickBooks. As a fund accounting system, each transaction is linked to both an account and a fund. So this way you can track the balances of each fund you have without needing a new bank account for each fund. You'll see here that each transaction I map has a place for a fund. You'll also be able to see or edit all your transactions inside your account at any time right here. We also have other great features to help you out, such as fund transfers, journal entries, starting balances, and accounts and funds management. The system is really easy to use so that you can keep track of all your financial transactions and be ready to show your reports. To find your reports, just come to the Accounting Reports section and pick the report you need. You'll see we have you covered with reports like Compare Balance Sheet by Fund, Balance Sheet, Income Statement by month, and income statement by fund. And as always, our team is always taking feature requests and expanding our product. So rest assured that if we don't have it, we can build it for you once you start using us. And guys, that's pretty much it. There's a lot of in-depth tracking tools in this system, but this is pretty much all you need for the basics. I'd really encourage you to just jump in there, go through each of the steps I just walked you through. Once you do that, I think you'll get an idea, just an appreciation for how simple and effective Continue to Give really is. And like always, if you haven't already, please check us out on Facebook, give us a like. We appreciate you and are excited to see how Continue to Give is going to help you impact the world.